Welcome back to my channel. It's my favorite time of the year. It's Michael's grab bag and boxes for $4. I'm going to do it in a two-part video because there's 6 boxes to go through. Okay, in today's video we are doing more unboxing of these Michael grab boxes. They come out a couple of times a year. It's hit or miss. Everyone always asks me, how do I find them? Basically, you can try calling the store. They don't always tell you, but they usually always do the Christmas ones sometime in January, and the spring and summer usually sometime late summer, and then there's usually a Halloween or a fall one. My best ones have always been Christmas and the end of summer. This time I picked up the most I've ever picked up. I bought 6 boxes from Michael's, and they're $4 each. I tried to pick some of the heavier ones. So let's see, and you really can't see in them, so it's kind of a surprise box. So let's see what we got in the first box. And at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and tell you the price that was on there and the total of all the stuff that I got. So let's see. Okay, the first box, I'm gonna put it here because it's kind of heavy. We got this, wow, this says it was $40. It's a Holly Jolly Farm tree sign that says pine, spruce, fir, cut and carry, and the price tag on the back says 40 bucks. So that was already pretty nice. Let's see what else. And this is some weird green tree with silver and greenery on it. This says $30. Some people ask, what do I do with the stuff? Last year I didn't know any better. I kept most of it, but some of the stuff I actually sold a mystery box on eBay. And then some of the other stuff I just donated. This is missing something on it, but I guess it was a dog print ornament that says $5, but I guess maybe it had the year or something here, but I don't know what we'll do with that. That's missing a piece. This is a brooch, a clip. It says $6 and it's candy canes. These make a good gift to give to like a bus driver or something. This is a Wilton gingerbread making kit. So I guess we'll have to make this now because it's not going to probably last till next year. I'm sure it has an expiration date somewhere on it, but my kids actually do like gingerbread, so I'll just let them make it now and they can eat it. And did this have a price? I do not see a price. Don't see a price on that. Oh, another sign. Oh, this is the score right here alone. This is Red Nose Reindeer Farm sleigh rides, and this same thing. Oh, this says 55 bucks on the back. Who the heck would pay $55? Don't know, but anyway, so we got 2 signs, and they're nice heavy metal. And then this looks like it's missing stuff, but they're DIY ornaments. This says $10, but obviously it's missing a piece. Oh, this is really cute. This actually matches my daughter's Christmas tree. It's a Tiny Treasures Noel tree topper for $5 in a pink heart with pretty glitter on it. Then we got a pack of 50 6x9 red envelopes, and this has a $10 price tag on it. Let's see what else. Then there's these little melted bead kits for $1.50. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 of these. So this I'll probably donate to a school or something. Then this is a clear stamp and die set. This says 15 bucks on it. It says, let it snow, winter, warm winter wishes, snowmen are warm-hearted. Then it's some kind of wind-up dinosaur. What is this? Christmas Noel stocking stuffer, glitter putty, $5. My daughter will want that. Another pin for $6. And then old maid cards, $3. So I don't know, unless I have a little kiddie party to go to, I can give that away. And then a bunch of cookie cutters that say $2 each, and they look like they're mousse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mousse cookie cutters. Sorry about that. Camera card died, so ran out of room. Actually, so there was, I think, 7 of these. And then this one was another $15 clear stamp die set. It says Christmas comes but once a year, so we send warm greetings from our home to yours. And it's little houses. Then there's stuff missing. So this was like a set of earrings for $6, but it's missing 3 packs of puffy llama and unicorn stickers that have a price tag of $3 each. Donate to a preschool or something like that could use it. Then there's 2 of these little sheep, I guess. Christmas Noel tabletop decor. They say $5. I don't know. It's lamb, sheep. I'm not sure what they are. Maybe I could use them for Easter in an Easter project. Don't really know. And then the last thing in this box is this like cactus looking plant. This says $10. In this little thing. Kind of cute. Box number 1. And now we will do, I'm going to break it up boxes per video because it can get a little bit crazy. So now we'll go to box number 2. And see what's in this one. Okay, this is Coastal Prep Little Chic Garland in this like blue and white pattern. It says was $19.99. So this is not Christmas, this is just a bunch of stuff in here. So we got that. Then there's this Modern Pop banner that says was $14.99 in this like black and white polka dot and some other stuff banner. There was 2 of those. This Coastal Prep Chic Nautical Wide Ribbon by Aria was $14.99. It's a 9x9 piece. I do sew, so I'll keep this up with some kind of craft project. Then this looks like it was a Heidi Swapp Kit for $29.99, but it probably, I don't know what the heck was in here. Let's see what this is. Looks like an, I don't know, some kind of kit book. I guess it's some kind of book for, oh, there's all numbers falling out in here. Well, whatever it is, it's maybe a countdown to Christmas kit because it says something about December in here. So I'll give it to my daughter. She'll play with this. Then there are 2 end symbol patches that say were $2.99. That. A bunch of stencils, and I do love stencils, as is. Original price $7.49. I guess the packaging is missing, but I do paint a lot. So there's A, B, script. I will use this for sure. And it's all the alphabet stencil. So yay, that was good. Oh, and I think there's 2 fabric things. Then there's some pom-pom pin set. And then some of this Coastal Prep tie-dye looking ribbon for $2.49. Was $4.99. Let's see. These are some Easter Bunny playing cards for $2. This is cute. This is the Recollections pocket folders for your planner, which I do have this Recollections line. And these were $7.99, and they have Wonderful Love, Spring, and Everyday Matters. I could put them in my planner, so that was really cute. And then we got two of these ribbons by Ari. Modern Pop was $4.99. They look like peonies or something for the summer. Let's see. This is a stamp that says the shortest way and the quickest way to the Union Pacific Railroad was $12 on clearance for $4.99. So it's some kind of stamp. I don't think I have a use for that, but let's see. Then this is another retro patch that says Snacks. Was $1.89. Now this I have a use for. It's Swarovski. I always say that word. Swarovski. Can't ever say it right. Crystals. Rhinestones was $9.99. And you get 90 crystals, pink, purple, and blue. So that was kind of cool. Then one of those snack things, patches. And then this is translucent sticky pad, was $1.99. Then this one is stickers by the Recollection line, planner accessories in fun spring colors. $1. This is cute. These are little paper flowers in like a green color, was $3.99. And this, I have no clue what this is. A lighted accessory, illuminary thing. $7.99. $7 something Christmassy. A bottle of washable colored paint was $1.89. This looks like throw up yellow. I don't even know what color you call that. Booger? Puke? I don't know. Then this looks like it was a necklace of a butterfly. Let's see what else. Another Heidi Swapp little planner book with a pen. And this says was $19.99. A letter U was $7.99. Don't know what I would do with this letter U. Oh, this is really cute. It's holds your credit cards or like you know, store cards. This one is blue with a little bow, and this one is gold, and it says was $6.99. So that's kind of cute. Then we got a second Heidi in her book, and then another little card black. Don't know what the heck this is. Bead Gallery acrylic pendant, $9.99. It looks like the horn. Then this is a banner that says "You Got This" in hot pink. And this says it was $5.99. White buttons. This must have gone to one of these planners and it fell out. And then a letter B for Son Brandon. I guess I could use that, $1. And a letter C. That's me, for Cheryl, or Chic Done Cheap. And that says 99 cents. And I believe they have magnets on the back. Mini letters. And then I'm sure my son will like this weird thing. It's a chandelier in this like weird shape, and it takes 3 AA batteries, and it's like that metal funky thing, and this says was $19.99. And now on to box number 3. Let's see what's in this one. This says kids on it, but I don't think it's, I don't know, who the heck knows what they put in here. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh boy, what on earth is this? All right, we've got this giant snowman face. Seriously, it says $25. Like, this is not worth $25, Michaels. Like, it's made of styrofoam. Who would pay 25 bucks for this is beyond me, but whatevs. Then this is some gold flower for $10. I mean, even that's crazy. It's got like the stem. What is this? Another pack of red envelopes that say $10 on it. A pack of Tiny Treasures silver, like teardrop shape ornaments for $8. What is this? Pull bow. You can make instant bows. That's kind of cute. 5 pieces for $20. Makes bows in seconds. Oh boy. Ooh, I see a house. Some random poinsettia flower. Another flower. I think they're just throwing stuff in here. This is really cute. It's a little Christmas cottage house church thing. It says $17, made by Tiny Treasures. This I think is really cute. And it does light up somehow. So I guess there's batteries in the bottom because I see lights in it. Then we got a box of assorted Christmas candy stickers for $3. A nice box of assorted silver ornaments that say $10 on it. They're pretty cool, and it's a general color, so I'm sure I'll find a use for that. And let's see what else is in this box. And it looks like we got some more of these pull apart bows. 1, 2, 3. I had to edit over this section because my dog was barking like crazy. And I didn't think you wanted to hear that. So I'm just digging through the box. Some more of these little succulent plants that were $10 each. Then this random little pick with like the gold balls on it. And let's see. To voice over the dog just did not stop barking. Anyway, this is like this wreath looking thing. It looks like a vine. And then it has like the little cotton things. And I guess this is where these red things were supposed to go in. It was $70 in Canada and $50 in the US. So I believe those red flowers were to go in the sides of this. But, you know, honestly, you can add to your own decor to it and spruce it up whatever way you want. But I like the shape of it. It actually is kind of interesting. And it looks like there is a second one in the box. And this one has the red flowers on it, so I'm sure those flowers went to it. All right, so we're pretty much coming to an end of this third box. I was just placing the red flowers back in the first one that fell out because it is supposed to fit in there like this. They say they're $50 on it. I'm probably going to add different decor to it. And then the last thing in the box is this cute little succulent in a pot, and it says it's $10. So that's real cute because that can go all year round. Simple. So there was a bunch of these. So that's it for the 3 boxes of my Michaels grab bags. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll do the last 3 boxes. It gets to be too long. As you can see, this video was almost 20 minutes long. So the next one will have the other. Thanks for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and let's get social. Follow me on social media as I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And I do let you know when I score these boxes and I'm in the store. I usually put up a live post so you can run to your store and find them. Happy hunting. Bye.